Okay, this evening we're going to put together this gorilla cart. My wife had got me this for Christmas, and we're going to get it put together and start using it. Okay, we pulled it out of the box, and this is what we have so far. So far, it tells you what number, and then over here it corresponds with what nuts and bolts you're using. So far, pretty happy with it. Alrighty, step one. Here it is. Here's what it looks like. This here will be your dumping mechanism. Next, we're going to be putting on, this will bolt into the side, right back here. Oh, let me turn the light on. Right back here. You can see right here, bolts in back there. Come over here to your nuts and bolts. Get the ones off for number 2. And let's get this one put together. Alrighty. Now we're going to be going to step number 3. That is going to involve this right here. It's going to mount up right here. And then later on I would say our wheel's going to be mounting to that. Alright, let's get it put together. Alright, we're going, oh, let me turn the light on. We're going to step 4 now. And that will be involving these brackets here. I'm guessing this side here. And this side here. It'll fit up there on that right there. Okay, let's put this together. And we'll get our things of nut and bolts. Number 4 right there. Okay. Okay, folks, we're to number 5. We'll be using that there. This is what we'll be using here. We'll take this. There you go, Dan. Take this. Set that down there like that. Now, we'll take that washer and nut. Oh, we have to raise it back up. We got to put a washer underneath there first. Alrighty. We'll show you the next step here in just a minute. Okay, we're on number 6. We'll be using this for putting the wheels on now. Oh my gosh, we only got 3 wheels? No, over here's the 4th one. Yes, there's wood chips in the floor. Carolyn come through and cleaned just a little bit before we started, but we've had an audience. These little guys right there, they've been up looking and helping. So they've thrown out some wood chips. Now, let's get the wheels put on and we'll show you the next step. Okay, we've got to the last step. We flipped it over. Gotta put the handle on there and we'll be done. I gotta tell you, it has been easy to put together. The plans was well thought out. I like the way they did the nuts and bolts, the parts, and this thing has went together pretty quick. Happy with it. Okay. Here is the finished product. Oh, let me turn the light on. Yeah, that's a lot better.